Kani gadega Patisi TV, but fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
There'll be minor reshuffling tomorrow.
Okay. Minor reshuffling.
Right.
How many of them, sir?
I'll let you know once I reach the office.
Okay. Through the IPR?
Yeah. There'll be minor reshuffling. I have always told you
Right.
that whenever I want to do effect reshuffling, then you will be shared with all the necessary information. Okay. So you'll have one new minister tomorrow.
Great.
Okay. All the best.
Right.
But so who will be dropped, sir? At least if you could share with us that.
No. See, it's a question of creating new space for
Right.
some of our colleagues, and then again at the same time, friends who have been in the cabinet will obviously be then available for the party to further work for the party, because this is how democracy works. You need the starting from the chief minister, all the members of the cabinet, all the members in the ruling, to be also to be able to make themselves available for the party organization, strengthen the party. Only when political parties are strong, then only the nation will be strong. That's how it is.
Who is that chosen one? To work for the party?
To work for the party. Well,
At least if you could give us them.
I'll tell you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.